to Darfur Kitchen.
Afrobeat rhythm with original drums like street.
Well, come along, come take a seat in the heart of Tel Aviv street. Darfur's cooking warm and true, with color, spices, love for you. Smell the stew and feel the beat. Bread so soft and rice so sweet. Tegalia, kisra, mulatu. Every dish is made for you. Joyful group, welcome to Darfur. Taste the joy from every door. One big table, rich and wide. Africa's heart with love inside. Ooh, Darfur delight, cooking through the day and night. Asida dances in the pot, hot and tasty, eat it hot. Veggies sing and lentils cheer, you'll feel like family here. Cups of hibiscus, fresh and red, sweet like stories grandma said. The music plays, the drums go boom, the flavor fills the dining room. Welcome to Darfur, where every bite will give you more. A little spice, a lot of soul, cooking dreams in every bowl. Ooh, share the meal, joy and love is what you feel. Gentler tempo with clapping beat. From Yala to Tel Aviv, we bring the joy, we believe. Food can tell a story true, a piece of hope of me and you. Ooh.